In today's video, we return to the topic of medical devices to address a more specific question. Are apps medical devices? If you've seen our previous video on medical devices, you'll recall the definition that medical devices have to be an instrument, apparatus, implement, etc., etc. But a big question from our healthcare and wellness industry clients working in the digital space is how an app fits into all of this. I'm Michael H. Cohen, founding attorney of Cohen Healthcare Law Group. We've advised over 1,000 healthcare industry clients on healthcare and FDA legal issues. Today, I'm going to explain just how apps fit into the medical device picture. After mobile apps arrived on the scene, the FDA issued a guidance document to clarify what kinds of mobile apps would be considered medical devices. The guidance divided apps into 3 categories: mobile medical apps, which the FDA would regulate as medical devices, apps that FDA would not regulate as medical devices, and apps for which the FDA would exercise enforcement discretion. The FDA stated that in determining whether the app met the definition of a medical device, FDA would consider the intended use of the app as shown by labeling claims, advertising materials, or oral and written statements by manufacturers and their representatives. The FDA also has a classification called Medical Device Data System, MDDS, for hardware and software products that aren't classified as regular medical devices. An MDDS can be any product that transfers, stores, converts, formats, and displays medical device data. An MDDS does not modify the data or modify the display of the data, and it does not by itself control the functions or parameters of any other medical device. MDDS are not intended to be used for active patient monitoring. Examples of MDDS include software that stores patient data, such as blood pressure readings for review at a later time, software that converts digital data generated by a pulse oximeter into a format that can be printed, and software that displays a previously stored electrocardiogram for a particular patient. Thanks for watching. If you still have questions about medical devices, MDDS, or other legal uncertainties you'd like to shore up for your health and wellness business, click on the link below, cohenhealthcarelaw.com/contact, to send us a message or book an appointment. Here's to the success of your healthcare venture. We look forward to speaking with you soon.